Today in history, June 16, 1963, dawned with dry winds and tension at Baikonur, but for Valentina Tereshkova, this was no ordinary dawn. She stood in the shadow of Vostok 6, the spaceship that would carry her into history. A factory worker and amateur skydiver just a few years ago, Valentina now wore a bulky orange pressure suit and carried the weight of nations on her shoulders. The first woman to fly into space, the first to leave Earth behind and orbit the very stars she once watched as a girl from her village near Yaroslavl. Her fingers trembled as they adjusted the helmet. Was it fear? No, it was the gravity of something larger, of being chosen not just as a cosmonaut, but as a symbol. The Soviet Union wanted to prove that space was not a realm for men alone, and they had chosen her, a daughter of a tractor driver, to answer that challenge. As she was lifted into the capsule, her thoughts drifted not to politics, not to protocols, but to her late father. He had died in World War II when she was just a toddler. Would he be proud to know his daughter would touch the sky? "I am ready. Let's go." Her voice crackled through the intercom. Moments later, a thunderous roar swallowed the stillness. Flames kissed the ground as Vostok 6 rose, a silver spear piercing the stratosphere. Inside, Valentina braced as the earth fell away beneath her. Then silence, a weightless calm. Out the window, she saw it, the blue curve of Earth, floating like a dream wrapped in cloud. Her breath caught. She whispered, not to anyone listening, but to herself, "This is for all of us." Over the next 71 hours, Valentina orbited the planet 48 times, enduring nausea, silence, and technical glitches. But she also laughed, sang songs to mission control, read poetry aloud to the stars. She became Chaika, her call sign, meaning seagull, a woman who soared higher than anyone thought possible. When she returned to Earth, crashing down in the steppes, villagers ran toward her thinking, at first she was a spy or a ghost in a flaming suit. But soon they realized she was a messenger from the heavens, a symbol of courage, of progress, of human potential. Valentina Tereshkova didn't just go to space. She opened the door for women, for dreamers, for the sky to never again be the limit.